It seems like only yesterday we were making our rally debut at Nasik, and that too just by the skin of our teeth. MRF and Red Rooster were poised for a season-long and no-holds-barred battle. The Group N 2000cc category was in its infancy, but already there was good competition, including Team Overdrive. And we finished on the podium, on debut. 1 year later, and it has all changed. Red Rooster Racing, the 2010 INRC champions, have left the spot. Naren Kumar and Vikram Matthias are in a sort of retirement. Amitrajit Ghosh now drives for MRF. And this year, Team Overdrive is back with more confidence, more experience, better prepared and more focused than ever. Welcome to the 2011 Rally of Maharashtra. Nasik was where Team Overdrive made its rally debut last year, and Nasik was where we finished on the podium. This year, our car's looking in the best shape ever. It's still built by Red Rooster Performance, but it's got a new engine pumping out more horsepower, it's got new suspension, it's got MRF tires, and Bosch Power Tools has come on board as a sponsor. But in our Group N class, we've got serious competition from last year's reigning 1600cc champion, from previous year's 1400cc champion, and of course, I'm one of the top seeds. So it looks like a good season, it looks like a good start to the season, and we are raring to go. 29 cars arrived in Nasik, prepped and ready, and the rally kicked off with the super special stage. A chance to put on a show for the crowds and gauge the competition. As expected, Gaurav Gill and MRF dominated the timesheets in the N+ class. But back in Group N, the competition was heating up. We had a clear run to clock a 1 minute 58 second time, but the others had brought their A game too, with the returning Vikram Devadasan quicker than us by 7 seconds, while Rahul and Hegde were 2 seconds quicker. We really had a task on our hands.
Hopefully this should be a very, very competitive class. The cars are great. They drive really well compared to the 1400s that I was driving earlier. So it's going to be a learning process.
The 1600cc class, comprising the Balinos, was revving up, with Pune boy Aniruddha Rangnekar, who was stepping up from the Esteem class, setting the early pace.
Well, looking to learn a little more, get up to pace, and hopefully fight for the championship again this year.
A new day and the start of the rally proper. Group N was the most competitive class at the rally, with everybody playing mind games, but now it was time to walk the talk.
Keep it safe.
Yes, Nikhil. Start of the stage. Concentrate like I haven't concentrated before. Nikhil's notes are perfect and the times show it.
Mine is slippy to left. Keep going, keep going.
Stage 2, we are fastest in class. Stage 3, we pull out even more time. The long stage 4 is dispatched with confidence, and we are leading the class by 17 seconds in a close battle with Rahul Kantraj. Back for the second loop of the stages, and tire tactics come into the picture. But then Rahul's front dampers pack up, and with the main runners out, we take it easy. On the last stage though, we have issues with idiot spectators placing stones across the road.
Into 5 left, big cut. Flash 1 right.
That Nikhil screams at me at the end of the stage, saying that our lead was gone. But then Rahul was even slower, and we end the day with a massive lead in our class. Elsewhere down the order, there was drama aplenty, with spins, crashes, and an Esteem that rolled 300 feet down a hill.
We topped about 7-8 times. We never thought the car will stop, but luckily because of a tree we stopped and saved. Otherwise we would have totally gone. The car's broken into pieces, but we are in one piece. Luckily, thank God. Plan to prepare the cars to completely smash, so need to prepare a new car now. So hopefully I can make it for the next rally by then.
In the N+ class, after the first loop, Gaurav Gill was leading by a minute from Amitrajit Ghosh and Arjun Rao Arur. Arjun's run was cut short though by power steering failure, and Ghosh had suspension issues leading to punctures, leading to handling issues, which eventually broke his lower arm and he retired from the rally.
The morning runs were very good. We had good grip overall and we had good speed. I mean, we had good speed the second round also, but the temperature dropped so much. I mean, it changed so much that the roads, I think, were getting so hot. The tires were literally melting away.
At the end of a hot and hard first day, Gaurav Gill topped the timesheets ahead of teammate Lohit Oras. Meanwhile,
Very clean run.
we, Team Overdrive, is third overall and we're leading our class, the 2000cc Group N class, by almost 2 minutes. It's been a fantastic rally. We pushed hard, we pushed fast, and we've had a lot of fun. Just been a little tiring. Need to go back to the hotel, take a nice nap, and get ready for tomorrow. After Leela threatens me with serious physical injury if I go off like in Kerala last year, we take it easy, post the second quickest time of the day, and take our first INRC victory ahead of Shailendra Hegde and Rahul Kantraj. In the N Plus class, Gill eased to a victory with an 8-minute lead over Lohit Oras, while in the Balinos, Aniruddha Rangnekar and Anjay Kapadia of Chetnad Spotting outlast Vignesh Devrajan and Mukesh Raja. And with that, we end the Nasik rally. Gaurav Gill has won the rally for the second year in a row. He's followed by Lohit Oras, also from Team MRF, and we are third overall. We have also won the Group N class by over 2 minutes. This is an absolutely fantastic way to start the season. For a journalist, there are very few times in life when you actually run out of words. This is one of them. Thanks for watching.